Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up a simple supervised practice session. This is what many teachers use. Earlier, I went to the club admin page and created a director link. I have logged into the RealBridge session using that link, and now I'm in the lobby. First, I will provide a name for the session in the yellow band at the top. The white band is for messages too. The messages in the white band can be changed at any time. Today, I think I'm going to have about 4 or 5 tables. So I'm going to increase the number of tables to 5. Later, I can add more if I want to. Now, I will click on Session Settings to set up the details of the session. The first thing I'm going to do is set it up as a practice session. This means that players will not be moved around by the system. This is typical for learning groups. I'm expecting to have a maximum of 20 boards played and just 1 round, so I will enter that in now. No timer is needed. Now I have a choice. I can have RealBridge deal random boards, or I can load a PBN file. A PBN file is a special file that has pre-made hands. I can prepare a PBN file myself, or I can obtain it from another place. There are 3 steps to load a PBN file. The first is to click Load PBN File. Next, I will load a file into RealBridge. And finally, I will see the first and last deal loaded into RealBridge. It is always worth double checking that I've loaded in the correct boards. To check this, I look at deal 1 and I can see that at the north seat, in spades, my player will have ace, king, 2. And in deal 16, the west player will have queen, 9, 8, 3 in spades. Next I click OK. To signpost players to a specific table, I can provide a name for each table. This is optional, but it can be useful. The players cannot join until the session has been opened. Normally about 20 minutes before you intend to start, you would open the session. Doing that now. The players click the special link given to them, join and sit, as you can see here. I can talk to players in the lobby by typing and clicking Send Chat. It's good to send a message to all players welcoming them. I can do that by typing and then clicking Announce. I have 1 fewer tables than expected, so I can remove this table now. Now that everyone's sat down, I can now click Start Round 1. Thanks for watching and good luck with your first teaching session.